Alright guys, one more PNP program has been added to the bouquet, and this time the province of Saskatchewan has just announced a new immigration program under its existing SINP bouquet of PNP programs. What exactly is this new immigration pilot program? What are the details? That's what we are discussing today. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we proceed any further, hearty request, please hit the subscribe button, the bell icon and the like button because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you are an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is the channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, what we are discussing today is the very famous PNP programs, and this time the province in discussion is the province of Saskatchewan. So guys, the province of Saskatchewan has been famous quite a lot with regards to its PNP, which does not require a job offer. Now this is an existing by far program which has garnered a lot of interest. This has an attachment with express entry as well and without express entry. So apart from that successful PNP program, the province of Saskatchewan has now come back with another immigration pilot program, which they are calling as the hard to fill skills pilot program. What the province says that this program or this pilot program has been created to support the Saskatchewan's labor market and its demands in the key sectors. Now, what the province says is that this particular program, the whole the all the details will be out in the in the province website very soon. But till now, what they have confirmed is that the person should have a full time permanent offer of employment and an SINP job approval letter from an eligible employer under an eligible occupation. Okay, it also says that the applicant must meet minimum Canadian official language benchmark, which is again having IELTS. What the level will be, that will be declared very soon. What it further says is that the person must meet a minimum education and the work experience requirement. So far, these are the details that they have declared. They also say that the person must have at least 1 year of work experience in the same occupation as the job offer, or at least 6 months of work experience in that job in Saskatchewan. So far, these are the only requirements that we have come across with regards to the PNP that will be announced very soon. They are saying that the PNP will be launched in the month of December 2021, and the workers will be nominated through the SINP, the Saskatchewan Immigrant Nominee Program, and this new hard to fill skills pilot program will be supported by the employers and the province together, including the community as well. So guys, the Minister of Career Training, Jeremy Harrison, has said in the media release, he's talked quite a lot about the province's success, the dedication towards meeting the labor market demands, and the fact that recent investments in Saskatchewan have really pushed up the economy. The minister also says that the province has been on a positive outlook towards jobs, the labor job creations and the demands from the employer and everything. Hence, they thought that the hard to fill skills pilot program is definitely in line to meet those expectations and will positively affect the economy and the province in a very good way and in a much more expected growth trajectory by the province. Guys, I really hope a lot of people sitting outside Canada and inside Canada will be able to make use of this through job offers and all the other requirements which will be shared by the province really soon. Once the details are out, we will definitely come back to you with all the details. Until then, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop in a message on the number on the screen. The details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Once again, wish you all the best and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.